Dear customers, welcome to watch LV08 Optical BGA Rework Station. We will introduce the machine install and operate. Power on the machine switch. Lighting switch. Laser position switch. Z-axis joystick control up-down. BGA light adjust. PCB light adjust. Down heater height adjust. Universal jigs adjustment. Suction nozzle install. Up nozzle install. Down nozzle install. Open laser position button and fix the motherboard on the machine. Enter the operate menu. Click curve setting, enter password. Set the temperature file. Please reference the manual last page. How to set the temperature. After setting, click save button and back to the menu. Choose remove mode and run the machine. Up head auto down and start heating. Here is speed up. Usually lead free chip remove time about 4 minutes. Heating time and temperature manual control. Chip remove heating. After heating finish, machine auto pick up the chip. Pick up chip by tweezers, remove done. BGA chip mount weld introduce. Open laser button and fix the motherboard on the machine. Put some flux. Manual put the chip on the motherboard. Choose mount mode and run the machine. Up head wheel auto down and pick up the chip, then back to the optical position. Pull out optical alignment system. Joystick control the image zoom in and out. Adjust the up head macro. Adjust the image angle. Adjust the left to right macro. Make the solder ball and the PCB ball covered. Alignment done. Pull back the optical alignment. Click touch screen alignment OK button. Up head auto put the chip on the motherboard and start heating. Welding time and remove time are the same. Chip soldering. Hitting done. Up heater head auto back to original position. Hitting done.